Welcome to Elite Wheels. Today we're talking about one of the most talked about concept cars of the modern era, the Hyundai N Vision 74, a machine that perfectly blends retro soul with future technology. The N Vision 74 is not just another flashy concept, it's a bold vision of where performance cars could be heading in a zero-emissions world. Its design is deeply inspired by Hyundai's 1974 Pony Coupe concept, originally penned by legendary designer Giorgio Giugiaro. That heritage shows clearly in the sharp wedge shape, long hood, fastback profile, and wide stance. At the same time, pixel-style LED lighting, aggressive aerodynamics, and massive wheels give it a futuristic presence that looks straight out of a cyberpunk movie. What truly sets the N Vision 74 apart is what's under the skin. Instead of a traditional gasoline engine or a fully electric setup, Hyundai chose a hydrogen fuel cell hybrid performance system. This car uses a hydrogen fuel cell to generate electricity, which works alongside a high-performance battery pack. Power is sent to two electric motors mounted at the rear, delivering more than 670 horsepower and around 900 Nm of torque. That translates into explosive acceleration, with a 0 to 60 mph time of under 4 seconds and a top speed exceeding 155 miles per hour. Driving dynamics were clearly a top priority. The N Vision 74 features rear-wheel drive with advanced torque vectoring, allowing the car to distribute power between the rear wheels for better cornering and stability. Hyundai also paid close attention to weight distribution by placing the hydrogen tanks toward the front and the battery closer to the rear. This creates a balanced chassis designed for both track performance and engaging road driving. One of the biggest advantages of hydrogen technology is refueling speed. While many electric vehicles require long charging sessions, the N Vision 74 can be refueled with hydrogen in about 5 minutes. Combined with its battery system, Hyundai claims a driving range of over 370 miles, making it far more practical than most high-performance concept cars. The car also supports 800-volt fast charging for the battery, offering flexibility depending on available infrastructure. Inside, the cabin follows a minimalist, driver-focused philosophy. As a concept, it's not meant to represent a final production interior, but it clearly emphasizes performance over luxury. The steering wheel has a motorsport-inspired design, digital displays are clean and purposeful, and the overall layout keeps distractions to a minimum. Everything inside feels centered around the idea of pure driving engagement. It's important to understand that the Hyundai N Vision 74 is not designed primarily for mass production. Hyundai refers to it as a rolling lab, meaning it's a testbed for future technologies. Through this car, Hyundai is experimenting with hydrogen power, high-performance electric motors, thermal management, and driving dynamics that could eventually influence future production models. The impact of this concept has been massive. Car enthusiasts, designers, and engineers around the world praised it not only for its looks, but for the message it sends. It proves that sustainable performance doesn't have to be boring or soulless. Instead, it can be emotional, aggressive, and deeply connected to driving passion. With projects like this, Hyundai Motor Company shows that it's serious about shaping the future of performance cars in a bold and creative way. The N Vision 74 stands as a symbol of what's possible when heritage, innovation, and passion come together. It's not just a concept car, it's a statement that the future of high-performance driving can still excite car lovers everywhere. And here on Elite Wheels, we'll keep bringing you machines like this that redefine what cars can be.